Welcome to Sales Intelligence 2.0, the new intelligence layer inside XBs that turns every conversation into insight you can act on. It shows how customers feel, why interactions succeeded or failed, and what needs your attention all in one place. Sales Intelligence brings together every interaction, calls, meetings, and now chats with both humans and Wilma AI agents. Each conversation is analysed end-to-end and scored for customer satisfaction, customer sentiment, and the moments that shape that outcome. You can see instantly which interactions recovered, which deteriorated, and which need follow-up. A complete view of the customer experience across all channels. Let's look at the dashboards. Here, you can narrow your view using filters. For example, a customer-facing conversation where sentiment shifted from negative to positive and ended with a meeting being scheduled. These are the interactions where your team turned the situation around and Sales Intelligence surfaces them instantly. You can always drill down further. Here's one example. A partner hesitant about joining a contest because it required public speaking, and our sales engineer turned that hesitation into a scheduled meeting. And as you saw, switching languages is seamless, essential for global teams. But you don't have to rely on only filters. You can ask Wilma, show me the top topics discussed. Why did these conversations shift from negative to positive? Wilma reveals the patterns behind successful interactions, so you can replicate them across the entire team. And this is where Sales Intelligence becomes truly powerful. You can control what the system monitors. In WMS, you build the modules aligned with your priorities. Support issues, BDR objections, competitor mentions, account health, churn risk, and more. Take churn risk as an example. Instead of guessing where to start, you simply describe what you want. AI builds the entire configuration in seconds. The risk levels, account types, intent, root causes like price or quality, the evidence quotes pulled directly from conversations. The same logic applies to AI agent performance. Because your AI agent is built in WMS, Sales Intelligence already knows how it works. So the questions it asks, the actions it takes, it triages issues and creates related tickets. For example, Sales Intelligence generates a monitoring module and tailors it exactly to that workflow. You're not starting from a blank slate. The AI builds meaningful metrics based on what your agent actually does. Now let's see the result in XBs. Here is the churn risk module we just created. And we already have one conversation flagged as high risk. Instead of listening to the entire call, I can simply ask Wilma, analyze this churn risk. Or Wilma, what should we do next? At the conversation level, Wilma becomes your analyst, turning hours of review into a clear, actionable strategy. Another example, a call involving budget or pricing. You can ask, summarize this for CFO approval. Wilma extracts the financial points, commitments, objections, and prepares a clean summary in seconds. From knowing what happened to understanding why it happened and what to do next, Sales Intelligence 2.0 gives leaders visibility, control, and speed across every human and AI interaction.